மண்டாய் பேட் பேரடைஸ் அங்கே தான் வந்திருக்கோம். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஜூராங்கில் இருந்துச்சு இந்த பேட் பேரடைஸ். உள்ளே வந்ததில் முதல் ஷோ 10 மணிக்கு ஆரம்பிக்கிறாங்களாம். இப்போ 9:30 மணி ஆகுது. உள்ளே போனோம்னா அந்த பேர்ட்ஸை வச்சு சில ஷோஸ் நடத்தி காட்டுவாங்க. அது இன்னொரு ஷோ கூட இருக்குது. இப்போ ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஷோவுக்கு உள்ளே போகிறோம் நம்ம.
Would you like to say to all these nice people? You also love to sing the birthday song. Anyone celebrating your birthday today? Oh, yeah. I said couple of hands. This song goes out to those of you celebrating your birthday today. Amigo, let's sing.
பேர்ட் ஷோவில் ஹைலைட்டான விஷயங்களை நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்க. இனிமேல் பேர்ட் ஷோவோட ஃபுல் வீடியோ நீங்கள் பார்க்க போகிறீங்க. மொத்த பேர்ட் பேரடைஸோட ஃபுல் ரிவ்யூ வீடியோ வேணும்னா இதுக்கு முந்தின வீடியோவில் போய் பாருங்கள். நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி போட்டிருக்கோம். ட்ரான்ஸ்போர்ட் டீட்டெயில், இங்கே ஹைலைட்டான விஷயங்கள் என்னென்ன இருக்குது, லஞ்ச் எங்கே சாப்பிட்டோம் அப்படிங்கிற டீட்டெயில் ரிவ்யூ வந்து அந்த வீடியோவில் இருக்கும். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிங்கன்னா நம்ம போடுற எல்லா வீடியோக்களையும் நீங்கள் உடனுக்குடன் பார்க்க முடியும்.
If you need any assistance, then call up to any of our keepers. The early mornings and late afternoons are the best time to take photos of our birds. Do not place your camera or phones too close to our birds. And always keep a safe distance when taking photographs. Keep your shiny objects such as your jewelry, keys, and coins. Don't feed our birds with your food. Join our official feeding program instead. We hope that this has been helpful for you to enjoy a greater appreciation for the wonderful wildlife around us. Have a great day ahead at Bird Paradise. See you around.
And today we will be discovering birds from all over the world. But first, meet my friend Shari.
Oh, hello there, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hello, TSA. So I am a birder, which means I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. I've traveled from Scotland to Zululand, all the way down to Antarctica to see as many birds as I can in a single year.
Wow, very passionate. So how many birds have you seen so far?
Last year, 700 species. This year, 1,000.
Wow, very, very passionate again, but such a show off.
Hey, don't be mean, okay?
I'm not mean. So now everyone, let's all begin this journey by seeing some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing friends. First stop, South America!
Let's go!
So first we will be taking a drive to the port and then a boat ride down the Tambo Pata River. You might see the footprint of a jaguar or even spot a red howler. Everyone look around you! Now you are in one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet, right here in the Peruvian Amazon. Wow. Now everyone, welcome to here, he's about 10 years old.
And together with me, this is Katie. And Katie here is a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Cockatoos are a species of parrots, and they're the only kind of parrots that have a crest on the top of their head.
Now parrots, they mate for life and they make devoted parents. So usually they take advantage of big tree cavities, just like this one, to build their nest.
Now they use twigs, leaves, and even tree bark sometimes to build their nest. Let's watch these birds in action, shall we? Is you ready?
Let's do it together.
Yeah. Come on. Get set. Let's go.
Alright, so everyone, if you want to see what's happening on the inside, take a look at the screen
What's me?
behind you.
Who's that? Oh look, that's me.
Do we have Katie? Oh yes, it's Katie, look behind.
Oh, she's so ginormous. Katie, look at yourself. Hello, time for you to go home. What are you waiting for? Bye.
There you go. Can we give Katie and your wonderful trainers a big round of applause?
Is that a rooster? A rooster here in the amphitheater? I'm confused. What's a rooster? There? Oh, Mitra. That's the rooster.
No, Shadia.
Huh?
No, that's not the rooster. You know why? There's your rooster.
I thought this is an Amazon parrot. Rubich.
It is a rooster.
Okay, you show us.
Okay, I'll show you. You just stay there and you watch this, okay?
Okay,
Let
fine.
me turn on the microphone so that everyone can hear this. You're gonna turn around. You're gonna show everyone how you do the rooster. 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 How? Did you do that?
Very cute rooster. Good job, good job.
Alright, so everyone meet Quincy and that is Amigo, masters of mimicry. Okay, Quincy, you see there's so many of them here today, right? Sure. Welcome to Parrot Paradise. We'll do this one more time. Okay, Quincy, welcome there. There you go. Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Okay, let's try another animal sound. Okay, you heard the rooster earlier. Now let's try the cat. Cat. The cat. There you go, that's the cat. How about the telephone? Telephone? That's right. Well done. Can we give Quincy a big round of applause?
Okay, when I say hello,
Hello.
okay, fine, you need to introduce yourself, right? What's your name? Amigo is his name. Hey, you see that? Okay, Amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people? What a nice bird, right? Amigo also loves to sing the birthday song. Anyone celebrating your birthday today? Oh, yeah. I said couple of hands. This song goes out to those of you celebrating your birthday today. Amigo, let's sing.
Everyone, did you all know that Quincy here, she's 1 in 10,000 and Amigo 1 in a million. What you usually get as a pet will be a bird, just like Big John.
Hello.
Wow. Oh, no. Wait up. Go back home. Go home. Bye. Maybe not, right? So please think twice or even 100 times before you go home and get yourselves a pet parrot, okay? So once again, let us give Quincy and Amigo a big round of applause. Thank you.
South America. Let's move back to Southeast Asia, where we introduce you to a very special bird, the hornbills. Hornbills have a unique nesting behavior in the wild. They like to nest in tree cavities, just like that one right over there. Here in Bird Paradise, we show you the nesting behavior without you leaving your seats. From small species, let's bring a bigger one. Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite Vicky, our great high hornbill. The great white hornbills happens to be one of the largest species of hornbills found in this region. But in places where they can be found, such as Borneo, for example, some villagers, they believe that if hornbill were to fly over the village, they will be blessed. Hornbills are the only species of flying birds that has got eyelashes. But did you know that? Yes, there's a localization of the great white hornbill. And from the moment Vicky will fly on over to the Nest County National. Female hornbills are very fussy about their accommodation. It's got to be spacious and must have a chimney so she can escape if she needs to. Once inside, male hornbills will fly by and pass her mud. She'll mix that with mashed fruits and her own droppings to create a strong seal. Let's meet her mate, shall we? Here comes Sunny, another great tide hornbill.
You know?
But how?
Come, follow me that way. Let's go. Let's go.
And here's the best part, if you complete the hunt by answering all the questions correctly, you can stand a chance to win a prize. Yes, that's right. So for those who have not scanned the QR code, please remember to do so. Now also at the same time later on, remember to collect your lunch. Lunch collection will be for about 3 hours starting from around 11 a.m. Right now, we are going to be taking a group picture with everyone, so please don't go away. All right, everybody try to squeeze in as close to each other as possible. Okay, take group picture with one another. I will take group picture with my fellow birds.